This right here is the Veeniix Storm Master, and it's like a RC robot type thing, and it looks like it actually shoots. And in this video, we're going to open it up and try it out. Pretty excited for this. It's something that we've really never done on this channel. I mean, we've done a lot of RC stuff, but I don't think I've ever had, seen, or played with anything like this. So I got the email for this from Veeniix asking me if I wanted to try it for a review. And well, you know what? I try to pick the products carefully in this channel. And I mean, come on, how could I say no to this? We'll just take a quick look at the box here. It looks like it comes with a battery and a controller and a charging cable. I'm not sure what that is. Does it come with glasses? That's strange. A screwdriver. Maybe to hold it. I don't know what these are, but anyways, it is rechargeable battery. That's good to know. And yes, there is a little cannon on here. Memory programming, 360 degrees directional movement, infrared laser aiming. So it's got infrared and it shoots. That's pretty cool. Actually, wait. Laser aiming, I see, okay. And then battle confronting. I tell you what, the box is really pretty on this. It's super like shiny and iridescent. Definitely got a nice display factor on it. If anyone were to receive this, let's say as a gift, I think they'd be pretty stoked opening it up. I mean, look at that thing. It's actually really big too. I just can't even get it on the camera, it's so large. But anyways, let's open it up and see how this thing looks outside of the box. Alright, it comes packed nicely in a lot of different pieces of foam here. Oh, so there is glasses. Okay, this must be because it shoots. I understand. Alright, so safety first, I guess. So glasses, manual, lots of foam. This looks like the water BBs. Okay, this reminds me a lot of the little RC tank we had. Put these into some water and they expand for BBs. I guess this must be the water bottle. To put the water in? I'm not sure. Alright, we got everything out of the box now, and it looks like this just clips right on top. It's a totally separate unit, and I see now what this is for. This is to put all the BBs in. Here's the remote, and it's got a ton of buttons on it. Two of the buttons on the top say shoot, and then the other one also says load. Power button, 360 degree joysticks, and I guess we'll just figure out the rest of these once we get it up and running. But yeah, here's the unit. It looks like it's got some interesting wheels. Now, I'm pretty sure I saw that in the video it can move like left to right. So that should be interesting to find out. But it is kind of made out of plastic, so I wouldn't expect this to be the most hobby grade thing. I don't know if this is going to go in the grass, but that's the type of stuff we're going to find out in this video. And I'm not sure where the battery is. It must be inside here. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. We'll charge it up, put it together, put this thing through the ringer. Alright, I actually found the batteries. They were inside the box still. So it looks like it comes with two of them, and they charge with USB-C, so that's cool. Alright, yeah, I would say this is without a doubt the most unique thing I've ever done on this channel, so I am quite excited to see how this thing goes. There will be links in the description if you're interested in picking one up. It retails for about $120. Alright, we are outside now. Let's go ahead and power up this remote with a million buttons on it. And then the power switch on the bottom here. Oh, that vibrates. I didn't know it's got feedback on it. Alright, let's figure out what all these buttons do. Obviously, this must turn it. Oh, that's like a crab walk. Okay. Forward. Backward. It's pretty quick, dude. It's a shame that it's plastic tires, because... Oh, how do you turn it? That's all you can do? Alright, well, that's interesting. So the right and left on the turret, and then down and up. Now I do have some of those little water pellets right here. We'll put those in. I'm not going to do it in here for obvious reasons. Right on the top we have two buttons here for shooting. The left one just says shoot with a little picture of a target, and then the right one is shoot / loads. I don't really know what the difference is. Okay, they seem to do the exact same thing, so we'll go out there in a moment and try to figure out what that does, but from first glances, I'm not really sure. Alright, then we have a speed button here. It looks like low and high. Although, those don't press. Those, like, it must just be a light. And this is 3, 2, 1, which also you can't press. Okay, let's go over all these buttons here because there's a lot of them. So starting on the left side, we have a volume. I guess that turns off the volume. That's what I figured. Yeah, so it's not making that noise. Put it back on, you got a little beep. And then you got your turret noises there. Music and play. Okay, that's unique. Did not see that coming. Some copyright-free music or something. I hope it's copyright-free. We're gonna have to cut that clip short if it's not. There's like a target. I don't know what that does either. It sounds great though. And then I don't know what the heck this is. Robot. It's a robot noise. Oh, did that disable everything? Okay, that's a dance, I guess. So, I wonder if... Oh yeah, it is. Okay, I thought so. That makes sense. Yeah, so a little targeting, because it mentions that it had laser targeting, so I guess that's it. And it's got your classic red laser pointer on the front of it. Alright, cool. Moving on to the right-hand side. Let's start with this one. Is it going to dance again? I don't know what that did. Oh, okay, I see. It went from low to high. Okay. You can't turn this, though. The wheels don't turn, so... I don't know how you're supposed to turn it. Alright, so we'll keep it in low. What's this? Oh! Well, there you go. That's weird. Why would it not be on this one? Okay, so you can turn it. Very strange. That's kind of cool though, I'm not gonna lie. Let's put it in high speed and try it. Was it this button? Alright, that's cool. And then the middle one here is lock. Oh, that's locking the turret, not the drive though. And then one last button here. I don't know what that does, but it's changing this light here. We're gonna have to look into that one. 3, 2, 1. That's the only one that I don't see doing anything. Okay, that's kind of cool, I guess. So I guess now let's add in some of these water BBs and take it out and see if it, 1, goes on the grass, and 2, how well it shoots. So let's bring it over here. So we got this guy here. That's scary. Last thing I want to do is have these little BBs going everywhere, but let's fill this up as much as I can without it overflowing on me. How many does it fit? Oh. Alright, I think that's the limit. Let's not do any more. And let's take it on the grass and see how this thing goes. Does it go on grass? Is probably the question that a lot of you guys are asking. I know it's what I'm asking. Okay, moment of truth. Let's put it in high speed and... Okay. It does. I mean, it ain't great. And I don't think it's going to go anything thicker than this. But it does go on grass. Let's how about creep mode. How do I switch? This one? No, this one. Alright. Kind of needs to be moving to be able to turn, so I think you need it on high speed. And it's not going to do the crab walk on the grass. I mean, it's pretty cool, I'm not going to lie. It does what it's advertised to do. Now let's see about how it shoots. So let's see, let's just push this once. Wait, is load? Is it doing anything? Alright, I'm gonna shoot it myself. Yeah, it is shooting. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is probably a terrible idea, but I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay, it shoots. How far does it shoot though? Not very. And honestly, I don't think you'll see the targeting unless it's nighttime. but it is certainly shooting. Let me get my phone, we get some slow-mo shots of this so you can actually see it shooting. Okay, well, I looked at the footage and it's shooting. It's shooting for sure. It's hard to see in the bright light and obviously without anything for it to hit, but I'd say it's going about 10 feet or so, which is probably less than I thought, but I mean, I don't really think it needs to go any farther. I tell you what, a kid would probably absolutely love it because I'll be honest, it's pretty cool. And I definitely think it's the type of thing that a friend comes over, I'm gonna break it out because let's be real. It's definitely got the cool factor. It looks cool and it'll probably make a great shelf piece too. If you're interested in this, guys, links are in the description as always. I believe it was like $130 or something along the lines of that. The little Storm Master robot, not so bad. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Later.